Hey guys!
Hey, did you guys know that...
Come on, shh. Hey guys.
Wait. Look at this. Look at this.
Hey guys, look. You see, guys?
See?
Hey, look.
The house haunted.
You see, Edison?
The ghost knows we're coming.
Actually,
Mr. Hughes?
DC,
They seem half of the ghost has some we know is a coming. They're waving hands. They seem these guys are ghosts hiding their buckets sometimes. Maybe the ghost used that bucket to has someone needs to say who needs somewhere person job has a bucket is going to.
be thanking us.
Oh really, Edison?
Oh, really? Did the ghost use that bucket too?
He's got a point.
Come on, you three cartoon guys and
Come on, you two. Just focus here.
Right.
good.
No.
Right. We could just take a deep breath. And then we're gonna get to the split up. And we need to get to our garage doors until the open sesame what happened where they got in.
My dad's gone too.
Right, Cody. Me too, Cody.
Maybe.
The garage doors were not half a 2-inch bandits. No, we only need someone who needs a person. You're not having the dying by the slippery walkways or the icy ways or the.
The attic's not such a great idea.
Good thinking, Woody.
We're not a bunch of two-bit bandits. We're not going to be stymied by a slippery walkway.
He's got a point.
Come on, you two.
Guys.
Just focus here.
Right. Good question.
A bunch of two-bit bandits. We're not going to be stymied by a slippery walkway. All right,
Alright, you Connor guys, and you two guys in.
follow me.
Okay.
I'll find out.
Okay, guys.
Come on down.
Roll up garage doors. Easiest kind to break into.
Go ahead, Cody. Go open the garage doors and hurry and.
But not all at once.
Come on in, two.
Hurry up.
Hey, guys.
It's stuck on something.
Yeah, what happened to Stuck, Savian?
What happened to you?
Break it!
Something supernatural.
Of course it isn't broken.
Almost there, guys. Shut up. Go help her. Oh, shut up. Go help her.
At least I hope not. It can't break. It's indestructible.
Don't worry, Edison. Don't worry, Edison.
think it can break. I don't think it can break. Comfortable.
Hey, Woody, we...
I don't think it can break.
Not all at once. Stop screwing around.
Because it's all I have left to do.
Jessica,
And Cody,
circle the perimeter of the house.
you two see? You two walking around looking for windows, and you see, guys.
If there's a window open.
Yeah.
Me too, Sinclair. Well, looking around like windows will be no afraid of ghosts, and
I think so.
yeah, we know, Cody.
I don't have...
Around for the windows, we don't have around looking for windows. Everything having for
anything else.
And you.
What about you two guys and Mr. Firefly President and
Mr. President. Get into the garage.
yeah, well, Mina,
They were there, but
we'll get into the garage, but the house has a mind of its own. But what happened? They have what I meant. They're supposed to mean what I meant.
we were going so fast.
Yeah, we know, Edison. But guys,
The house has a mind of its own. That's not
when I have a garage doors,
what I meant.
Like someone I know.
yeah, but we know. But Cody,
Needs
around looking for windows, needs to be around windows, needs Barabee Benson looking for Team Umisumi, needs around windows, but he needs
Forky.